They just arrest one 20-year-old man for killing 12 children inside Nairobi. Hey, since they really have, I don't even know. It be like say now, demons, they don't they live among human beings. Because how person go carry a whole 12 children, children go kill them. Hey, now what? We gotta say then these two children, they get some two children, they get missing, and then these children, they're within the age range of 12 and 13. You know how the children we say they go come out, say they go play ball. Now so they tell their parents, they go play ball. This first picking. Now they around 7 o'clock, the picking no will come back. So there 11 o'clock, they know they see this picking. Now there they carry themselves, go report to police. Police so see what they happen. Now there police do investigation. They never see the picking. This second one now what can happen? Now there they come gather say now one guy. When they even follow them, these people they sit down, they play ball in the day among them, they watch them. Now this guy, now they kidnap them, these children go they killed. I don't know waiting they use them. Piano blood moon, piano waiting. Now only God know. My people are back. Make na follow me see.
Mtoto wangu huyo, kama kuna mtu alishikwa na ameshika huyo mtoto wangu akamfanyia hiyo kitendo, achomwe ama aishi kabisa.
It had been a week searching for their 12-year-old and only son, Junior Mutuku Musyoki. A harrowing experience in the hands of ransom seekers and promises by the police that they were doing everything possible to reunite them with their son alive. Masten Milemo Wanjala is the prime suspect. He has been in police custody since Tuesday after investigations pointed to him. He confessed being involved in multiple killings of minors.
Nothing where person no go see for inside this African country so with it. It be like say kidnapping business now it don't turn to hustle for everybody. Person pick up person go say go play, just go play ball, come back. Ball now don't turn to another thing. And they talk to this guy now petty tips now they do. As on I know say this kind of person they do this kind of thing. In the first instance, one on a let and they don't know. All I know say one day death if just go enter your head, content and say okay, the horse way the horse, you know they bring you better money. Start to they keep people. And yeah, this and say then this family of these children, say when they adopt these children, now they begin call them, say may they bring money. 50,000 shillings. My people now know how much this one. 190K only. So when they bring and come before they go release the district, I beg waiting at one gate. And I could just carry people, children, start to they torture them because of money. And if I say then these people, and I know so all this kind of area, all this kind of place, they know to get money like that. Maybe then this family now, they don't see the money gather. Now here this guy, and they see the face of this criminal. He can't carry them, these children, go kill them. Out of investigation, I tell they can't see this man. I tell him can't use his mouth, confess. Say he don't kill so many children. He won't carry them, go where they go bury them. This. Hey, why people wicked like this? And the one way they even pay me, this boy where they keep. Now the only son of his parents. I beg how you want me then this family take up? How you want me they take start over? Because now they go just reason this whole thing. You now where they now you go they beg for sympathy saying may they release you. But the thing what you do is good. If say now you will be say person carry your own pikin, go use and do blood and we go kill her. What say you won't talk? Because of money. At least say na adults go reason and say maybe the adults don't offend you, but this person don't do something. Children every say they don't do you anything. Play now they play. You go sit down there, they follow, then they laugh. Not knowing say you got bad intentions on top of them. But I beg the person when they send you, how much you won't even get because I sure say this guy, you know they do this thing on your own. I sure say that person and they send them all this kind of work when they do. Because a whole 12 children and this guy don't kidnap. And still police they do number 1 picking the thief. Nothing happen. Number 2 something number 12. It means that when the police know they work for that side. It means that Nairobi police they just they relaxed. So if not say this one can't happen again now. Now so this man just they kick people children all because of nothing. Because the money when they collect, it's not even show for him but make na see the person. If so they do better kidnapping work, we say they pay you well, you go know say yes, this person they live fine. See this one see you go even know say the money they pay and you know they don't do any better thing. So why be say 20 years old guy you no go look for legit work, even if that talk you go they push. Why you no go look for that one at kidnapping work now you can say in fact thank you to this police say they arrest her. Any judgment you don't want give her, may they give her. My people where they watch which judgment on our face may they give this guy because this one way you do it. In fact the thing they pay me reach my bone marrow. I don't even know the kind of judgment what I won't give her. But my people, beg, I hear this one. I want to make a bring and come. Make na say this na ear. Hear what they happen inside Nairobi. Anything when I feel, make not forget to write them inside the comment section. Make not forget to like and also share this video. I go see you now for the next video. Wahala be like Nigeria. Our Nigerian soldiers, they don't go land inside one kind crash. We gotta say that these soldiers, they hear say, okay, Boko Haram, they attack for one kind place. Oh, inside Borno State, Nigeria, then these people gather up, kit up before they go see. They don't begin the rush. This rush not be even about the if you see speed. If you see, then this one they think na fast and furious they act. Speed where then these people carry before we go see motor don't go some assault. If you see this thing, you say go surprise. Inside this Nigeria, now this one say they happen. My people beg, make na follow me watch.
You can see the military going to give reinforcements. Jesus. This is a terrible accident that just occurred.
And I don't say this speed no even dey necessary at all. Nigeria, we say the road, people even they manage am. Before you go even pass one pothole, belle don't disturb you 3 times. Now person can always say na speed. Now you want they carry on top of this road. Or now they do gra because me I feel say they know say people they camera them. Now me they come they do gra on top of camera. So that people go say Nigerian soldiers they work oh. But this crash I hope say nobody died because we know all these soldier people person where they drive. People go hang for back. They know they get chair where be say person go even sit down inside the motor. Now hanging. So the way where this motor done some assault, I just they pray. Some people will not come here and say some soldiers don't die. But this driver self na reckless driver. Because say you be army no mean so you carry your DH. You dey drive, you can't go dey misbehave for road. When you know say you carry people. And all these our soldiers they make them even talk. And now they go attack after 2 hours. Where Boko Haram don't run. Where they don't go finish, that time na Kongara Mora. One con they form or DH, eyin by eyin, and I won't go there. Say I won't go they fight. And now for Kuku just sit down. Sit down for her because the time when they go, the people don't already come out. So what can be the need? And I beg my people if na they see. If say na civilian, one kind normal person na him drive with this kind speed. The kind slap where this soldier forgive your head go do even rotate. But them now they do nobody they complain. They know they even see them say this one where they do even they wrong. But we say if say then these people say drive slow. Go this speed now we go still complain say they're too slow. But this speed is too much I beg. If I want that make na drive with caution because this one way na go they do now. When we say the thing don't go land into crush and no even know what we want to. Because the attack when they even go for self, it don't even finish. I can't even reason and say, be like another set up even there here. Maybe they no cause this accident so that they won't go face war. Because now all this our Nigerian people, they feel they lazy. The army feel they fear for in life. They can't reason and say, make we do one kind 4119 so that they don't go send those go. But I beg go make na the limit time. Now go fight war. Make na take on our time. Now never reach war ground. Now already they die. Wetin I want come go there go do? Naija na just cruise country. My people, I hear this one. I want make I bring am. Make na service na here. Yeah, wetin dey happen inside this Nigeria where we dey. Anything when I like, make na don't forget to write am for the comment section. Make na no also forget to like and also share this video. I go see you now for our next video.